Hey, what is up, guys? Check this out. Are you tired of scrolling through endless streaming services just to find nothing to watch? I have found an absolute game changer that lets you stream brand new movies and the hottest TV shows completely free. It is honestly a no-brainer. Today, I have included some working M3U links for you. Plus, I am going to show you exactly how to set up an IPTV player using an M3U link, so you can get this running in just a few minutes. It is super snappy, and you are going to love how easy this is. Stay tuned to the end of the video to grab those links. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. I am your host, and today we are getting straight to the point. Before we jump in, you really need to use NordVPN to make sure everything runs smoothly and stays private on your device. It keeps your connection secure and ensures you get the best performance. I have left the installation link for you down in the description and in the pinned comment. Go grab that real quick and let's get started. Step 1. You need to download a reliable IPTV player app from your device's app store. Just search for something like TVMate or IPTV Smarters Pro. These are the gold standards for a reason. Install the app and open it up. You will see a prompt asking to add a playlist. Step 2. Select the option that says Add Playlist or Add M3U URL. The link will be shown at the end of this video, so please keep watching. This is where you paste one of the links I have provided on the screen or in the description. Make sure you type it out carefully or copy and paste it perfectly. One wrong character will stop the whole thing from working, so double check your work. Step 3. Once the link is in, the player will ask for a name for the playlist. You can call it whatever you want, maybe something simple like Free TV. Once you enter the name, hit the Next or Finish button. The app will start parsing the data, which might take a minute depending on the size of the list. Step 4. Now, head into the settings of your player app. Look for the EPG or Electronic Program Guide section. Paste your EPG URL here if you have one. This is what gives you those cool thumbnails and show descriptions. If you do not have one, just leave it blank for now. Step 5. Optimization is key for a smooth experience. If your player supports it, go into the playback settings and switch the decoder to hardware. This uses your device's actual processor rather than software, which makes everything run much faster. Step 6. If you find your streams are buffering, check your network. If you are on a busy network, try switching your connection to 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. You can also manually set your network DNS to 8.8.8.8 to help resolve server issues faster. Now, regarding the M3U links I shared, please keep in mind that some might expire or break over time. If a link stops working for you, do not worry. Just drop a comment below telling me what you need, and I will get you a fresh, working link as soon as possible. Here's a pro tip for you. If you are using a high-end display, make sure your streaming device is connected to a port that supports HDMI 2.1. This ensures you get the best possible frame rate and color accuracy for those new movies. Also, clear your app cache every once in a while to keep the interface running super snappy. If you run into any trouble at all, drop a comment down below right now. I am personally going to be in the comment section for the next hour to reply and help you fix any issues. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more tech secrets. You are all set to start streaming, so enjoy the show.